Today's build is consisting of a GK61X with Ducky, cotton candy, ABS keycaps which are SA style. This video was produced in support of deforestation because fuck the LORAX. I have stuffed this case with tape and shelf liner, as well as applied some tape to the PCB. In this build we will be testing the popular budget kings, the MATCHA green switches by AKKO. And yes, I know these switches came out a long time ago, but when these released I was disappointed. They were not named after Shrek, so it's taken me until now to get over this and finally make a video about them. These are a linear switch that retail for $9.99. They produce a deep stock sound, which is why they are a popular contender for the Gateron yellows. I have lubed these just by bag lubing the stems and applying a light coat to the stems. You cannot film them as well as the housing has a nice tight fit. Comparing these to the Jelly series AKKO released, they have less travel to actuate and produce a deeper sound. They sound better in my opinion, but are worse in terms of feel and smoothness. But when you consider that they are also cheaper, then this isn't really actually a problem, and for that reason that's probably why they're actually out of stock on the website right now. In total, this build costed $20 for the switches, $150 for the case, $58 for the keycaps, thus bringing it to a total cost of $228. These are all somewhat older products and you can definitely build a budget board for a lot cheaper. However, I do not think I've seen anyone else manufacture a wooden case like this one, so it's still kind of actually worth it. Please also do not bully me for having plate mounted stabilizers that do not match. This kit didn't come with any, so I had to scrap together what I had laying around. While making this video, I was very curious as to how it's gonna sound given that the board is wooden. My prediction is that it's going to sound very hollow and just kind of empty. Given that the wooden case only weighs about 450 grams, I feel like this is gonna produce an echoey sound. So earlier in this video I did say that I predicted this board would sound hollow, but it actually does not. It produces a unique, creamy deep sound. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the wooden case on this board. Personally, I really like it. I think it's unique and I'd actually recommend it. It's a little bit of a game changer. It's been out for a very long time and I just don't think I see enough of them out there.